We're at the launch of NDTV Marathi, and standing right next to me is an individual that you will most certainly recognize, Vijay Kedia. Thank you so much, sir, for taking the time, and pleasure having you at the event. Now, Vijay Kedia was very kind, and he's very famous for his shairis, for his poetry, and he recited a very interesting poem in Marathi. But for those that don't understand it, I have a request for you, Mr. Vijay Kedia. Can you perhaps say that in Hindi or at least explain to us what was that poem about?
Okay, thank you very much. First of all, thank you very much for inviting me here on May Day, Maharashtra Divas, जिसको हम कहते हैं. So I am really very proud to be here, and I recited one poem which I have written on. It's a motivational poem. So उसका हिंदी का ऐसा है कि हर हालत में टिके रहो, यही समय का नियम है. ऑटो ड्राइवर सीएम बन गया, चाय वाला पीएम है. ये खेल अभी भी जारी है, करनी तुम्हें तैयारी है. कसले कमर, उठा ले बीड़ा, अब तेरी ही बारी है, अब तेरी ही बारी है.
Wow, that's quite a message. And in fact, it's something that a lot of our younger audience can also take away from this. Incidentally, speaking of the younger audience, a lot of our viewers are investors for the first time. They've grown over the last 3 years. I will go so far as to say, Vijay sir, that they have not experienced defeat because very quickly the market has turned around. Do you think that the resilience that has built has kind of made things too easy for the Indian investor? Do you think that hard lessons are ahead of us?
No, of course, hard lessons are ahead of us. What you are seeing right now, it's not the actual picture of the market. You know, it's like ups and downs. When you see a movie, so like it's just a 10 minutes of movie you have seen, you know. Picture abhi baki hai. So abhi climax bhi abhi baki hai. So, you know, until unless you complete one cycle here in the stock market, I usually say that until unless you complete one cycle ups and down, don't think that you have become an expert. At least you have to see 2 or 3 major ups and downs in this market to call yourself that, okay, I know a little bit about the stock market. And always remember one thing, that when you are right, you earn. But when you are wrong, you learn. So learning here is very important. Experience here is very important. Falling in the market is the most important thing and most important gift you can get. Because you will only learn when you will fail in this market or fall in this market.
I think you must have lost count of the number of cycles that you've started because I know that companies that you've invested way back in the early 90s have now given you the kind of return. So patience is something that I'm sure that you have learned. The other thing that we're witnessing is that the derivative trading that we've seen in India, it's the largest and the most volume in the world. Would you say that it's better to have a carve out of your overall portfolio, to have a long-term portfolio which you keep for years together, and maybe to cut your teeth in the derivative market, maybe you have a small component of that? Is that the right approach?
I think you should have zero component in this market so far derivative is concerned, at least for 5 years. When you experience in this market, as I said, when you rise and fall many times, number of times, or you spend some 5 years in this market, constantly you are in touch with the market, then you should try out for 5 or 10% of your portfolio, of your worth into derivatives and all. Otherwise, you are bound to lose it. It is written on the wall. Nobody can change this thing. And there is a quote of mine, always remember, that if you are smoking, you may die in 20, 30 years. But if you are doing future and options trading, you may die next day.
So before you're 30 years old?
Before 20 years old. The moment you start, you can be disqualified.
Finished. Okay, so news, as you know, Vijay sir, does not wait for anybody. And it's a market holiday today, but there is a big headline I'm sure that you have already read. Hopefully. Yes. No, I'm talking about a very big family that has amicably settled. And this is something that has been going on for some time. Do you think that this is a blueprint for large families going forward? What are your initial thoughts about? Of course, this has been in the news for some time, but today that deal has been signed.
I don't have any observation on that. It's their private business, family business. It keeps on happening. All big families you can see. I mean, I don't want to take names and all. They settle. They understand when future is bright. Why are you fighting for what? You know, have a broader vision, then everybody will be benefited. The cake should become big, you know. Yeah. Then everybody will get its shares of pie. Yes. Yeah. So let the cake become big.
That's a very good message to everybody tuning in. Thank you so much, Mr. Vijay Kedia, for taking time, for speaking to NDTV, NDTV Profit, and NDTV Group.
And Marathi. I need to be Marathi.
Thanks so much for tuning in.